So here's how you can earn a free share of Apple stock. All it takes is 3 simple steps. You're going to want to use the referral link in the description down below. It'll take you directly to the App Store where you can download a new investing app called Webull. It's completely free to sign up, and once you're signed up, they'll give you a free share of a stock from $300 to $300. Deposit a minimum of $1, and they'll give you another free stock up to $2,000. The next step would be to use your own referral link, which you can find in the app, sending it to friends and family, getting them to sign up for Webull and opening a brokerage account. Then you'll both receive a free stock anywhere from $300 to $300. And the third step is, once you've gotten 3 people to sign up using your referral link, Webull will give you a free share of Apple stock. At this point, you've earned 6 free shares, 1 from signing up, depositing a minimum of $1, inviting 3 people, and that free share of Apple. That's 6 free stocks that could end up being thousands of dollars. And yes, it's only running till September 30th, but like I said, you're getting a free stock for each referral that you do. And who knows, Webull might be running a different promotion by the time you see this video. You could earn a stock of Microsoft or Tesla or Shopify, anything. And if you're interested in earning more free stocks with different investing apps, click on this video right here to learn how. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.